Don't miss out on this rare opportunity. It's not often that a house in this subdivision comes on the market, but here's your lucky chance to experience the elegance afforded by Grayfox subdivision. Located in Roanoke, this 6-bedroom, 4.5-bath luxury home pays attention to every detail. Boasting a huge front and backyard, this home on a peaceful cul-de-sac lot could be your new relaxing haven. Enter through the custom double doors and you'll be astonished by the gorgeous woodwork and high-end features that surround you. The large master suite sits comfortably on the main floor and is equipped with dual closets and an ensuite bath with luxurious spa tub and separate shower. Focusing on some of the features, from the crown molding to the double tray ceiling and the 2-sided fireplace, the living room is a retreat in its own, with everything you need for a relaxing evening or a fun night in with family and friends. Now enters your dream kitchen with elegant cabinetry, stunning countertops, an oversized island, walk-in pantry, and various intricacies between it all. This house will not disappoint. Enjoy sipping your morning coffee from the glow of the fireplace in the hearth room, getting ready for the day ahead. Abundant storage awaits with custom shelving, multiple window seats, understairs storage, and additional oversized closets throughout the home. Continue down to the walkout basement using the stunning open staircase. This space hosts 2 additional bedrooms, a media room that's wired for surround sound with a projector, and game room that's ready for a challenge. Head out the slider door to the expanded and new stamped concrete patio where you can enjoy a gorgeous view of the yard and mature trees. Another great spot to enjoy the view is the screened-in porch above. This home is the pinnacle of elegance, and its sparkle shines bright in every detail. Make it yours by calling Daisy Carver for all the details.